I'm Erina.
I'm Mamta.
I'm a vegan, and to get my proteins, I generally need to have a lot of legumes. So I mainly get my source of protein from dals, and all the time having dals is quite boring. So I try to experiment and try to look at various ways to get my proteins from. And the dish that we're showing today is actually one of the most delicious dishes that I as a vegan get my proteins from. And here I have Mamta Didi helping me make the dish. So today we're going to be making something very interesting. We're making a green gram fruit nut vegan salad. Okay, now I'm going to show you the ingredients used in it. So since this is a green gram based salad for the legumes, we're going to add 6 tablespoons of green grams. Sprouted green grams. And then we have some boiled carrot. 2 tablespoons. Then we have some pomegranate, 2 tablespoons. Cooked chia seeds, 1 tablespoon. And then we have 2 tablespoons of peeled and cut apple. Then 2 spoons of the inner part of the passion fruit. The pulp of a passion fruit. Then some roasted nuts as seasoning. So in the end, you can squeeze half a lemon to add some vitamin C and some more flavor to the salad. So now Mamta Didi is going to mix the dish. Mamta Didi is going to serve me a little bit of this for a taste test. And you know, this whole bowl of salad has less than 250 calories and 8 to 9 grams of proteins. So let's try it. This is amazing. It's so delicious. I can feel this tanginess of the lemon and the sweetness of the fruit. It's amazing. And you know the best part of this dish? You get a delicious meal along with all the proteins needed for your body. Plus, it's no animal cruelty and overall really good for the planet. We'll come again with a dish sometime soon. Bye!